What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. I ran across two poster boards of welding positions and welding errors, and showing you what you actually was doing wrong if you see certain things. And it's funny how I ran across it, because I did a contract job and the lady had these two posters on the wall, and I said, man, I really like them. She was like, oh, you like them? She was like, oh, you can have them. I got some new ones. You know, she was trying to get me to stay on with the contract and sign on with the company and be a part of the company, you know what I mean? But needless to say, that wasn't a good company, but I did get two good flyers. So I'm going to show you one of them, because this one right here pretty much shows positions. And when you're doing shop welding or field welding with stick or flux core, or MIG, these are some of the basic positions that they're going to want you to cover, which is going to be from 1G to 4G positions. So I'm going to show this to you real quick. Check it out. So you got your flat up there, and check out the direction he got the rod. And in this picture, they're using 70/18, because your angle is very important. Like I say, I thought this poster was really neat in the way that it lined everything out. And honestly, for beginners and those who jumping into the field, this is a very good chart to use to actually, learn what you need to know, and actually to be independent. Because honestly, if you can get these, and this is, not 6G or nothing, but if you can get these basic positions down, and stick, flux, and MIG, you can get some money, man. These are life-changing positions, if you ask me. And if you can weld in and out positions, meaning being able to be uncomfortable sometimes, and being able to weld in positions where things might not be as pleasant, hey, you can get some money, man, and get your hog on. So, just wanted to share that with you this morning, man. I ran across it and thought it was funny. Hog on. I'm out.